What's up everybody? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a kip up. Let's get into it. The kip up, or kick up as some people like to call it, is a great trick to have in your arsenal. As long as you are moderately athletic and flexible, most of this trick comes down to the technique, which I'll explain in detail in this video. Before you start practicing this trick, it will be helpful if you are able to do a bridge. While lying on your back, practice pressing the ground with your hands as you arch your back into the air. You should be able to hold a bridge comfortably. The flexibility you will gain by practicing the bridge will be vital in doing a kip up. Once you can comfortably do a bridge, you're ready to start practicing to kip up. In a kip up, your legs are doing most of the work. Your legs represent a considerable percentage of your body weight, and you will use that to your advantage. Watch how I begin this trick. While laying on my back, I bend my knees and bring my legs up over my head while lifting my lower back off of the ground. It's important to have your legs bent at this point because you're going to use them to propel your body into the air. With your hands on the ground and on either side of your head, push up while you propel your legs out at about a 45-degree angle. Arch your back while your legs are moving away from you, and this will cause your feet to start moving toward the ground. Use your arms to press your body off the ground. This should not be too difficult due to the momentum from your legs. If you find yourself pressing too much with your arms, you're not using your legs to their full potential. When your feet hit the ground, you should still have momentum left to bring you to an upright position. As you practice this trick, you may start to land with your legs bent. That's okay to do as you start. Keep practicing and you'll be able to keep your legs straighter and straighter. A good intermediate step is to use this technique to go from your back to the bridge without doing a full kip up. You'll use the same technique described, except you will not need as much momentum because you'll not be going from laying down to standing up all the way. Once you have this trick mastered, you won't have to be worried about falling down because you know how to look cool when you get back up again. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below and then hit subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Until next time, don't be boring.